Hey everybody, what's up? Seth here from Unreal Unleashed Tutorials, and today we are starting our journey into making an epic game in UDK. So the first tutorial today is going to be, how the heck do I get Unreal Engine, or UDK, excuse me? Why does my Logitech webcam controller keep popping up? Alright, let's answer these questions. Alright, to get UDK you're going to go to the website, boom. I will put this link in the description. You click it. You click download right here. Bam! You have UDK. It is quite a big download, so if you have slow internet, it might take a second. Boom! We're back in. Okay. Now, when you first open it up, this is not what you're going to see. You're going to see like a welcome to UDK thing right here. Just click out of that. Gone. You know what? You can click out of this here too. Gone. Alright. You know what you can even do? Go up here to File and go to New Level. Blank Map. Boom. Your mind has just been blown. Okay. Seriously, let's start. Okay, so once you have all that done, you're in a new level. What we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to hit this square right here, which is going to maximize this viewport. In case you don't see it, I'll zoom in. Boom. Okay. So now look at what we have here. It is a beautiful blue field of nothingness. It's a grid. It is the grid of all grids to be gritty and grids and grids and stuff. Okay. So because this grid is so beautiful and so amazing, what we're going to be doing is we're going to make a floor, a light, a character in the game, yeah, and play around with some static meshes. Okay, so first things first, what we're going to do is we need to figure out, what do all these buttons do? Ugh! It's like my mind is just being melted into jello. Okay. First thing we're going to do here, see the square? Boom. This is your cube brush, which you have right here. This is called a builder brush. This is what builds your stuff. Alright, so what we're going to do is, you see this cube? We're going to right click on it. Bam! Wow, what is this menu here, Seth? I'm going to tell you. Okay, this menu here, I don't know why I even did that. It will give you your length and width and height and thickness of your brush here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this X, and we're going to set it to 2500. And then we're going to go ahead and hit tab. And look what that did. Whoa. Whoa. Alright, you ready for this one? On Y, 2500. Mine just absolutely blown. Alright, and then we're going to hit build and cancel. Boom. So now we have this, but you're like, Seth, that's cool and all, but what do I do with this? Well, you see this square? We're about to make it come to life. Here, this is CSG. I'm not sure what it stands for because I've been using this too long to remember. CSG is pretty much just any physical property or something that your player can stand on. You're going to hit CSG add right here. Look at that. Look what you just did. You made something. Congratulations. Achievement unlocked. Made something. Okay. Now, what we're going to do with this is going to be the base of our level. And you're like, Seth, I want to make blockbuster video games. I want to just do everything that's so cool, and it's like that literally takes years to learn. Okay, I've been using UDK for 2.5 years, and I just started making my first game. Okay, so what we're gonna do now? Guess what we're gonna do now? We're gonna add a light. What? Yeah. If you played this right now, look. If you right click on this little platform here, and you go down to play from here. There's no light. You can't see anything. So what we're going to do is you're going to press the L key on your keyboard and left click. What that does, it will spawn a light. Take this blue arrow and drag it up. If you hit space and space again, you can increase the size. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, so this is what we're going to do right now. We're going to go over that, okay? So this is your directional moving tool. If you hit space again, this is your rotation tool. If you hit space again, this is your scaling tool, which will make it bigger or smaller depending on what you're using. Okay, so now we have light. So that's it, right? We can go ahead and right-click and play from here. No, you can't. It doesn't work like that because everything has to be absurdly stupid and difficult. What we're going to do now is something called build lighting, okay? You see this right here? I'll zoom in. Build lighting. Click on that. You're going to get this little screen here. Well, not really. Whoa. Whoa. Computer, Okay. I, I don't know what just happened. My computer's failing. Okay, so let's cancel this. That's just one. There we go. Okay. Okay, so you can leave everything. Just leave it alone. And if it's not on preview, put it on preview and uncheck use light mask. We'll use that later, but not right now. Then hit OK. And it'll give you some warnings and some errors. Just hit close. Alright, and then you can right click and play from here. And boom, look at that. We're in our level. We're in our world here. Now, and look at that. We're in our world right here. It might not be the best. It might just be, you know, a square with checkerboard texture, but we made this. Boom, look what you guys just did. You made a level with a light. What's next, Seth? We can never know, okay? Well, we're actually going to go ahead and end this tutorial, guys. So first, this is kind of getting around the UI, building a floor and a light source, okay? Next tutorial, we're going to mess around with some static meshes. We're going to make a wall. We're making walls, people. We're moving up in the world, okay? And then we're going to do some more cool stuff. So I have been Seth from Unreal Unleashed Tutorials, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial.